6 minutes is definitely cool. I don't think I used enough chickpea. Let me end this and definitely did too much. My eyes are full. Yeah, I might have done too much. Oh, more of the challenge. Damn, this shit burns. Burns my fucking. Not a good sign. I gotta use the tissue this early. Damn, I definitely definitely did some. I don't know about the 6 minutes. Oh, damn. Maybe that was a bad idea. Maybe that was a bad idea. Do one more. I don't even know how many minutes. Wow, this shit's intense. Lay the fuck down. Holy shit. Wow, this is fucking crazy. Messing my hair off. Damn, bro. Such a mess on that one. Like, this shit's burning my entire fucking feet. I see they're getting harder to stifle now. Fuck, I'm gonna be able to do 6 minutes. Yeah, no chance. Bro, this is fucking so messy. Are you kidding me? Fuck, I gotta be quiet. Wake everybody up. Stop, like, stop it. I don't get it. Maybe I don't want to go. Go over the 6 minutes. Oh, shit. I might have to go, like, wash my face or something. I gotta be up in, like, 4 hours, dude. This is stupid. What am I doing? I think that's it, though. Thankfully. That one was pretty good. I'll take that one, honestly. But I feel like my nose looks like Rudolph right now. Let me see. Oh yeah, red as shit. Nice. And my hair's all fucked up. Like, what the fuck? Look, I just went surfing. But yeah, that's it, I think.